We're finally here at Vatican. Finally found you. Ramen, ipudo.
Oh my god. It's like Ichiran from Japan. Wow.
We are on our way to Roma, Italia, our second destination for this Euro trip 2019. Dito ka ma.
Mag-thank you ka sa bagger mo.
And there's my bagger. We just passed security and now we need to wait for 2 hours for our next flight to Rome. So in the meantime, we are going to the lounge. Touchdown, Roma, Italia. Si, senor. Alright. Here's our van.
Now from Roma.
Day 4, we're in Rome. Finally! So we have a tour at 9:30 at the Colosseum and we're already late. So right now we are on our way to Trevi Fountain. Ma, watch out. Oh, they wanted to try the gelato. First pizza in Rome. Finally here at the Vatican. We're supposed to have a walking tour at 3 and it's only 2. So we will visit that place and the Sistine Chapel.
This way. Piglia. Okay.
Oh, yan lang. Sundan na. Sundan yung leader.
Everybody, press 21.
Oh, press 21. Press 21. What are you guys doing?
We are
One more?
happy and hungry.
Where are you gonna eat? Saan ma?
upuan.
Unang upuan, ayan na.
Dami
Oh, look at that. Good. It's good. Okay, calamari time. Gelato. That looks good. Cream caramel. And pistachio.